And what is Jaap Sahib? In summary, Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru, his entire project of being included in this lineage of Guru Nanak was that he was, I'm sure many people have heard of Rishi Dusht Daman, but maybe some people have not heard of Rishi Dusht Daman. A Rishi is like a wizard. It's a very significant, very powerful spiritual entity. And so this Rishi was meditating in the Himalaya mountains, and he attained such a state of merger with the divine that he started losing definition as an individual. And he's known as the one who defeats all the demons. So in the cosmic play, there's many entities battling with each other, and he is the great destroyer of the darkness, of dark spiritual entities. And when he had achieved a victory over destroying a certain battle, then he came into the presence of the Divine One, who invoked him to come to earth in another reincarnation. So his first thought was, well, I've just been on this earth and I've now transcended it, and now I'm here in your presence, the divine presence. Why would I want to be born again, go through the whole pain and the whole hassle? I want to be here with you. And so Akal Purakh, it's written that Akal Purakh is who's speaking to him, God the divine, showed him that there is pain on this earth and we need you to help with the pain on this earth. And you have two projects that you have to do. So I'm describing this in order to give an idea. What is Jaap Sahib? What is Jaap Sahib? Is a manifestation of all of what Guru Gobind Singh represents. And his mission and his dictate to be sent to earth was twofold. One was to destroy all the demons, to destroy tyranny itself, to destroy darkness itself. And two was to make the spiritual path flourish and to save the devotees. So he was to start the panth, or make the panth flourish, which is make the spiritual path of dharma flourish, and he is to destroy all of the tyranny. So grow the dharma and destroy the bad guys. So Japji gives you a sense of humility and gives you a sense of a spiritual sense of the divine. Jaap Sahib instills more of a warrior spirit. So one thing I just wanted to try to keep giving a bigger and bigger picture. There's so many things to talk about. There's so many ways to describe this. And one thing I like to tell people is that this Rishi, who was born as Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru, even among the Gurus, it's interesting and unique in the sense that even Guru Nanak, who's this great being, he had a process of evolution that he had to remember that he was the enlightened being for this age. He had a kind of learning process that he had to go through. Guru Gobind Singh, it is said that he had zero lack of memory when he was born. There was no gap from being an infant, or from being in the womb and being an infant. He didn't forget a second of his knowledge that he had attained as a rishi in his previous life. It was just a continuous flow that he just came into this new incarnation, and there was nothing missing on him. So even among the gurus, he's seen as this dynamo. He was prophesized by the previous gurus, and they said there's going to be such a guru. The 10th guru is going to be, he's just amazing. Even among the gurus, they were surprised, they were amazed at who he would be.